Hello guys, welcome back to TechBees. So guys, today we are having these JBL headphones, so let's unbox them. So guys, here is the packaging. Let me open it. So guys, here is the box. And let me cut the cover on the box. So guys, the price on the box is 3500, but I bought this product for rupees 2100 on Amazon. And guys, this is a T460 model and it is blue color. Now let's open this box. Now let's see what's on the box. It says JBL Pure Bass Sound and music controls on ear cup and 11-hour battery life, and it says it's lightweight and foldable design. Now let's see the headphones. As I said, they are blue in color. Now let me remove these thread-like things. Yeah, I removed them. Guys, the build quality is top notch and these headphones are foldable. And the length is adjustable as per the head size. So guys, here are the controls. This is the volume up button and this is the volume down button. And this is the start or stop button. And here is the power on or off button. And here is the mic. And yeah, here is the charging port. The charging cable is also given, and I think they gave a user manual also. Let us see. Here is the charging cable, and yeah, here is the user manual. Generally we don't read the user manuals, so let's put it aside. So guys, now let's take a look on the headphones. Firstly, as I said, the build quality is top notch and these headphones can be folded as per our requirements. And also the length can be adjusted as per the head size, as I already said. Haha. And comfortably, these headphones fits to any head size. So guys, now I'll hear some music and tell you how the sound quality is like. So guys, the sound quality is really awesome and the highs and lows are also played very perfectly, and as they said, the bass is also very pure and clean. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, leave a like, share this video, and after subscribing our channel, do not forget to press the bell icon. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.